Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making yam pottage. If you're interested, let's get started. So guys, I'm not going to bleach my oil. I'm going to be adding some salt, and I'll add my onion. I'm just going to saute for 2 minutes. Then I will add my blended vegetables that I blend together. I'll give it a nice stir. I'll add garlic, crayfish, my dry prawns, Maggi cubes, and I'm going to stir everything together, and I will allow it to cook for about 6 minutes. So now I'm just going to cover it. I'll leave it for 6 minutes. So guys, 6 minutes have passed, so I'm just going to give it a nice stir. I'll add some water. Then it's time for me to add my yam. So I'm going to be adding more water. So I'll just cover it and I'll allow it to cook. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's time for me to add the mackerel fish. I'm going to stir everything. You just have to stir it gently. So now I'm going to be adding the spinach. When you add your spinach, you don't need to overcook your spinach. 2 minutes is okay, then your yam pottage will be ready. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Remember to hit the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of my newest video, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. I love you all guys. Bye bye. Ciao.